Hi, I'm Zahraa Saban and I completed my MPhil in family medicine at the University of Stellenbosch. As a senior doctor at a primary healthcare facility, completing my MPhil was really a transformative journey for me. The structured modules, the research project that currently ran throughout the 2 years really provided a comprehensive learning environment. What was really valuable were the rich variety of resources that were provided to students on an online platform, from online videos to published articles that were relevant to the course content and that assisted you as a student with completing your tasks. The mandatory discussions among fellow students really created a collaborative learning environment where we could comment on each other's responses and provided guidance under a supervisor oversight. Yes, the MPhil was challenging in the beginning, where you had to juggle different roles, being a wife, a mother of 4 kids, work, and still you had to complete your tasks in a specific time period. My initial marks reflected the underestimation, or how I underestimated the course reading material. But once I established a daily routine and allocated specific times for reading, it became way more manageable and definitely very enjoyable. The clinical governance module, the teaching module, and the research project were particularly highlights in my course, because these components provided a practical platform for me to address challenges and difficult scenarios in my work environment. I developed skills to be a better leader. And the research project itself, it was initially challenging, but with the excellent supervision of my supervisor, Prof. Mesh, where he walked through the whole process, through the different phases, gradually I gained confidence and competence to do the research work. What makes this MPhil program exceptionally amazing were the direct applicability to my work environment. I developed knowledge and skills to be a better leader in my environment and to enhance my clinical practice. So I wholeheartedly recommend this program to anyone who's in a leadership role, anyone who's in a teaching role, in a setting, whether it's clinical as a doctor, a nurse, whether it's managerial. It will add value, where you will become an exceptional leader in your work environment. And yes, I might be biased in saying that Stellenbosch University is probably the best institute to do it. But overall, I've really enjoyed this course, and I had an exceptional experience. And I'm very grateful for how this program has enhanced my contribution in primary healthcare.